Hi friends, today topic is loops. Different loops are there and previously I will explain will loop and do will loop and for loop, and Java 5 the added one more loop. That loop for each loop is introduced by Java 5 version. This is mainly used for arrays. That arrays is very important loop, and let's start that. For now you create one keyword, break keyword. This break keyword is stopping loop. Using this break keyword, and previously I will explain loops, and that videos I will provide description. We check it out. And break and continue, these two keywords are very key role in array and for loop. And this, let's do it, and let's write the type of break events keywords. Break, control S. I will execute this. First I will execute this program, and 20 numbers is printed, and minus 20 I will apply in the break keyword, and this time only one is printed, because this keyword is stopping the loop. One is passing the statement, and another repeat activity is going to what break statement keyword is there. That's a reason we will stop the break keyword. Will one one condition is there, break condition. That condition will execute again. That condition is if and a equal to minus 12. This condition is executing only 12 members. So I want only this program is running minus 20 number is printing the program. This program agenda is minus 20 members is printed. That 20 numbers is printed, but I want only 12 members, only minus 12 members on I want printed. But that's the reason I will enter the if condition. This condition only 12 members printed after break is executed, and the loop condition is stopped. Let's do that. And Java only 12 members only printed only 12 members only printed. This is the main, and I want continue this. I want continue. I want continue one more keyword. That keyword is continue. That continue means I want 18 minus 18 members printed. That's the time is using continue. That's time continue. Sorry, continue. Small spelling mistake. We got continue. Okay, continue. That's the time I am also using this continue equal to 18. Control S. A small error is finding. That error is fine. And let's control S. Let's run this program, Java application. But we will first not running this continue button. Why running this continue button? Because the reason is break keyword is first, and after first executing break keyword, that break keyword stopping execution all activities. That's the reason. And let's do that. I will some changes in break keyword in 18. I will move this controllers. Let's run this program. Run this program, and I am stop this program. Controllers. Let's stop this Java application. Only 20 numbers is printed, not mention any break issue. 20 number is printed, and I'm creating some issues, and I will stop this Java application. I will rotate. This is the main purpose of keywords. There's the main purpose of keywords. I will explain it keywords and continue and break keywords and arrays. Arrays also I will explain in detailed way. And arrays, Java providing a data structures, the arrays which stored fixed size sequential Java sequential collection of elements of the same type. An array is a user store collection of data, but it is often more useful. Think of any arrays as a collection of variables of the same type instead of declaring individual variables. And is the array. For now, you want only if condition for each is a simple type of keywords, and we'll explain it. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.